guys, we're here in Walking Street and then later we're going to travel in Clark and use motor. So let's go.
А это кого по спине голым? Вот цей. Another side. Another side. Камера, вай, у нас тут видео. can take a look. Tiger Hotel open or not.
Okay.
You can show me camera.
So we take a look the Hotel Tiger here. It is open. Not yet open.
But why you not?
I put already. This is pizza bar. The back
Oh,
of
the cheapest hotel. This is PHG Hotel.
little bit hot right now, guys.
Thank you. You say we will go to Perimeter Road.
Yes, we're going to Perimeter Road right now.
You say this is Malabanya.
This is Malabanyas Road in Balicato. A hotel also here.
Korean Hotel. You can turn camera, you see, not need to open. You see the hotel.
Hi guys. So,
this bar.
Left side is
Bar
more
here.
perimeter bar.
Take a look this bar. Full camera. Boomerang Hotel. You can say Boomerang Hotel, Saira,
It's
right?
Boomerang Hotel, guys. You have turning there.
same Clark. It's
I know it's Clark Street. Sorry.
Go straight this airport. When you say you say
So if it's turn left, you're going to airport and then turn right. Going to Mabalacat Road and Angeles Road. Also, turn left, it's shortcut going to Mabalacat also. Also 7-Eleven here.
Many foreigner walk always here.
So many foreigners also walk here.
Yes, it's road closed and park motor here. We always park motor.
So we park here. So if you plan to walk or run, it's better here because it's fresh and not so hot.
Yes, we always sit here and eat here. Evening time, so many people walk, jogging here around.
Take a look here, so handsome.
Shira always put here. McFloat.
It's not McFloat, it's coffee.
Coffee? No coffee. Sometimes coffee.
I like coffee, you know.
But now not so many people.
Yes. So we can sit there. Maybe in that metal?
No, maybe.
Just have space there.
Yes, and we can put here our food. And many girls always, if finish work, always go to this park. Normal girls, it's not same like walking street. So if you want to find girls, good girls, you can go to park like this park, same, and find girls here. It's better. It's not bar girls, it's girls who work in the Clark. Yes, Shira, only you need to remove face mask. You said beautiful, beautiful won't. But no, Shira, but face mask, if you use face mask, you always have problem in the skin. Because you use face mask is so
I have allergy.
not good allergy. Yes, you see, you have allergy from.
But what can I do? We need to use
You
it.
have so many another face mask.
But we need to use it, right?
No, we need use, but not in the park. In the park not need use. You can remove face mask.
But we not fit yet.
Okay, I will help you now. Visitors parking. You remove face mask. In the park don't need face mask. Maybe we can sit there. Or you want to...
It's hot here.
It's not hot. No, it's okay. We can sit here in the middle.
Want to sit here?
Yes, yes. More. You can move more.
I'm not big. You're not big also.
So you can eat here.
Don't have already taste.
Of course, it's food. It's not for healthy. Not. It's only for like snack. Yes.
It's not only. It's not lunch. It's not snack. It's like you call it here in Philippines, it's merienda.
What?
Merienda. Also,
Merienda.
it's same from Spain.
Ah, same like Spain. But because so many Spanish and Tagalog little bit
Because
same
we-
like Spanish language.
Because we colonized with Spain before.
Mm.
With Spain, Japanese, Chinese, and American. So most
Maybe
of
people
our...
cannot hear you because it's covered.
Okay.
Okay, we can eat now.
No, I...
Here so many people walk in the park. But weekend more people, yes? Weekend. Okay, you can explain what you want to explain about. Ah, you want to answer, yes?
Yes, I will answer most of our subscribers. So one of these is Mr. MJ Lee. She asking if what we used for walking most we used. So we use it's DJI Pocket 2.
Yes, if in walking street, yes.
Yes, but sometimes we use iPhone also if it's
Mhm.
nighttime because it's so light. Then also from John, she asking where because sometimes I'm not in the video because I don't like go out inside also in the walking street, and I need to rest also in home because I'm also tired in work sometimes because it's so hard and tired also. And from they asking also why I have scars here in my face. It's because I have allergy from dust or from face mask, so I cannot control my face or I cannot remove the face mask because I'm work all time, so I cover it here, so it's exposed with the dust here. That's why I have pimples here.
No, I remember in McDonald's have requirement use two face mask.
Yes, so
Two face mask, of course, it's not easy.
so before we use two face mask cover here because it have COVID before, so it's not easy for me. Even my coworkers also have also pimples here. We cannot control it because Oh, it's like so many ears here, like covered here, here.
And one subscriber asking about, do you have some medicine or
I
what,
used
cream? No, I know you have so many.
Yes, I try already some like rejuvenating cream, like set, but it's not working because I use always face mask also. So even you use like for face, what is this name? Moisturizer. Even you
Mhm.
use moisturizer if you use makeup all day until like 8 hours like this.
But
You can
why
have
McDonald's need makeup if you use face mask?
only here you need
Ah,
some makeup
only,
here.
only near eyes, yes, need makeup.
Only here because we use face mask so it's covered. So not need here, you need here. So that it's
Mhm.
if you grade the customer like lovely, like beautiful, like attractive. That's so that they not say to you like, oh, you're not beautiful, you're not you don't have charm to cooperate with the customer, like entertain with the customer like this.
Mhm.
That's why we need to use makeup here.
If already remove, what is this?
Makeup.
No. If already not need face mask, you need to more makeup, yes? Or
I
not
not
need?
use. I only use this one. We use only
Mhm.
lip tint. Only here, little bit light only. Not need to use like heavy makeup.
Oh, foreigner with children also work here. So many foreigner work, I see.
And also from LT Traveler, she asking, are you guys a married couple or not unmarried couple? We're together already for 6 years.
Most 7 years already.
No, it's 6.5 only.
6.5 years.
So we live together like what's this name in I don't know how to say.
No, if married,
Living.
we want to not in the Philippines, and
Yes.
maybe we go to another country, not in the Philippines. Even your young sister have children, not married. Now,
Here in Philippines, like married, it's not. They not need to fasta here because sometimes if you fasta married, you fasta
break up.
break up also.
Yes.
So you need to think first here. Better you have house first. You have some baby like this. But even you have baby, sometimes the guy can't find another.
Yes, it's Filipino guys sometimes. No, you know near our house, yes, have so many girls, beautiful girls, and they already have 2 children, 1 children, but don't have husband, even don't have boyfriend, and they easy to hard work right now because need to work also for baby.
It's not easy here if you're single mom here. So better before you have baby, you have some work here and have savings here.
Yes. Okay, Shaira, let's go to eat. Let's eat because I know you hungry, but I eat already breakfast in the morning.
I've not eat breakfast.
But I eat
don't
always
like-
breakfast, oatmeal. Every
don't
morning I eat oatmeal.
So
Okay.
this is my It's good here, oh.
Where?
Picture me that.
Okay, now.
It's okay na.
No, put in there. Face mask remove.
Say to me, sound beautiful, okay?
Mhm. I will take video, and from video you can picture.
I have also like that. Motor. Ay, bike.
I know.
I will try to drive the motor, okay?
Okay.
Pwede dito na lang tayo, babe? Wait, lock yun. How to open it?
Because it's brake.
No, it's not really lock, oh. It's not the same. Ah, okay.
Because before you use
Ah,
small bike before you use. It's little bit big for you. Okay, maybe we can drive to the bridge, yes? Okay, hold camera and sit on the back. Leon now rider.
yeah. He drive already right now.
But for me, it's small. This bike is little bit smaller.
So I know how to drive, guys, but it's a little bit heavy, so I need smaller
Yes,
motor
for
bike.
you need to, no, like this Honda Click, like this, smaller.
I don't know when I can buy one this. So going to bridge.
Place with so many cottage building for Chinese people live here.
It's Chinese house here, like
Yes, it's rich people here. Rich Chinese people. is this? I don't know what is this. It's hotel. But me, I know it's massage also. Say many Filipino work here. Looks like so many
Yes.
motorbike.
Many Filipino workers here because it's Taiwan company. Same, I worked here before, but another site only.
And we show where build trucks in Philippines. We can show now.
This is Expo Leon. It's not
No, I
for
will
truck.
show. I will show trucks and buses. Manufacturing trucks and buses this place. This is new trucks. New. Because it's new manufacturing.
It's cotton.
Cotton truck, yes, truck. Different truck.
Workers right now, they go home. So this is a speedway large. Same like we're in Baguio right now. I will show you all villages here inside Clark. So, this is a Marcos, this way, this is Marcos village.